If it takes 3 towels 3 hours to dry on the line, how long does it take 9 towels to dry? I asked this to ChatGPT, the AI chatbot, which is designed to mimic human interactions, and this is what it said. If it takes 3 towels 3 hours to dry on the line, then it would take 9 hours for 9 towels to dry. And it gives this reasoning, it uses the correct reasoning because the drying time is directly proportional to the number of towels. If you double the number of towels, then you should double the amount of time it takes. And if you triple the number of towels, then you should triple the amount of time it takes. Clearly, if your line is big enough, it shouldn't take you any longer to dry 9 towels than it takes to dry 3 towels. But maybe this is the expected behavior for ChatGPT because it's trying to mimic human behavior, human interaction.
If it takes 3 towels 3 hours to dry on the line, how long would it take 9 towels to dry?
If it takes 3 towels 3 hours to dry, the drying time depends on the drying conditions, not the number of towels, assuming they all dry simultaneously and have enough space. Therefore, 9 towels would also take 3 hours to dry under the same conditions. The drying process is typically independent of quantity when towels are drying at the same time and space.